Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can move pictures or photo albums to the secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then tap on the gallery app on the home screen or in the app screen. Now once you are in here, you can choose to move pictures or albums to the secure folder. Now first, let's transfer some photos to the secure folder. So I'm going to touch and hold onto the first picture, and then I can select one or multiple photos to move to the secure folder. And then tap on the more button down here and tap on move to secure folder. And now say move one video to secure folder. The copy in OneDrive will still be shown in gallery. We move it from OneDrive to keep it from showing. So I'm going to tap on move. Okay, so some items now has been moved to the secure folder. Now if you want to move an albums, then you choose the albums tab at the bottom. And in here, let's say we want to move the camera albums in here. Let's choose something else. Let's see, screen recording. So let's say we want to move this album. So we touch and hold onto the screen recording albums, and then tap on more and tap on move to secure folder. And now you can see it say moving items to secure folder. So we're just going to wait for that to finish. Okay, so some items in here has been moved. So still going slowly. So now there's 3, and that's it. So it's now moving over to the secure folder. So let's go to the secure folder and check it out. So here's my secure folder. And in here, if I tap on the gallery in the secure folder, you can see some items now has been moved into this secure folder. Pictures has been moved. Now I can restore these items if I needed to. So by simply selecting all these items and then tap on more, then tap on move out of secure folder. Now if I tap on albums, I can also select these items. So I'm going to select this, these two. So touching that and touching that one as well. And then tap on more, then tap on move out of secure folder. And that's it. So now I have also moved out of the secure folder. And that's how you can move pictures and photo albums into the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.